Isot reklamo da dito stores tayo na po dito restaurants nga mabusar kano DJ PWD nga card din at DJ senior citizen handa nga mapeke di senior citizen at birth certificate DJ MDJ PWD masapol nga guided damit lang nga may kabilid jay no nga klase. Diyan mo no tip po Jamie, do you know the DJ PWD card tayo nakaikabilid dyan no nga klase ti Abu Justin, do you know?
So far now, Mr. Chairman, when we were in in discussion with the PDAO office in the person of Sir King, so far as to Lawag City, Mr. Chairman, we have not encountered any um, fake IDs and fake disabilities, Mr. Chairman, because um, so far now for Lawag, there are only 2,500 registered PWDs, Mr. Chairman. But according to their data, they're more or less aabot ng 5 to 6 lang naman ang Lawag City with as compared to our population na I think 105 yata tayo ngayon. 117, Mr. Chairman. So more
Do
or
they
less
need to renew their PWD or no? If they issued already, it's good
so
until...
far now, Mr. Chairman, they don't need to renew it, but with the new administration, I think they are required to get a new one,
New.
Mr. Chairman. Yes.
With that said, po, so that amuda nga maianada po.
Well, um, as to the PDAO office, Mr. Chairman, they are very strict on implementing I mean in screening the said PWDs, Mr. Chairman, because syempre yung mga physically visible ang PWD, syempre automatic granted talaga yon. And para naman dun sa mga um, hindi kita ang mga disability nila, Mr. Chairman, they see to it daw na they contact mismo the doctor na nagpirma ng medical certificate, Mr. Chairman.
And I hope you coordinate with PDAO office po Justin that our card, no PWD, will have name tino anang PWD. At
Well,
ano,
so far now, actually, Mr. Chairman, I also belong to the said
PWD.
PWD, Mr. Chairman, because of my physical accident in my elbow last 2 years, Mr. Chairman. That's why I can present a PWD card, which is to be changed in the future because last year ko pa yata siya nakuha, Mr. Chairman.